What is up, guys? So I'm sorry, past few days been super busy, so I don't even know what I filmed and what I didn't film. But the great news is FD is running, and we basically refreshed the rat's nest and did that sequential turbo system. But to be honest, I am not the brain behind this. DJ came up with this idea, but we are not done yet. We have a lot to go over. We're gonna go over to my boy Chris. He has a huge surprise for us, so we're gonna see what's up. If you're following my channel already, you probably follow Chris too. He is local, he's in Arizona. He's actually like 15 minutes away from me, so let's go see what's up.
Rockstar with the veins on her feet, got the opportunities, and she all up on me now. I shot with the plan for the team, now it's everything it seems. Yeah, I'm living in a freestyle. I'm a pop-up.
Now we are here at SD Fab, and DJ rolled the car in already. Let's go see it. It's a nice little shop, and I really like that. Oh, by the way, my coolant is leaking. I think it's the cracked reservoir. It's a slow leak, so I'm not too worried about it.
Clean it again later.
Clean it up?
Yeah, just doing a pre-clean.
Nice.
Just because any oils is going to affect how it welds. So we can kind of just play with it. It seems like it'll take 3. They really said that?
They never got back to me. I speak Japanese though. I love watching it.
Sometimes you just need to rotate something. So, try and add.
One more?
Yeah, actually I can probably just fake it with, because this needs to be longer a little bit anyway, because I don't want to have another joint if I don't need it.
Okay.
So I have some more, so we'll just put a side angle on it.
All right. Sounds good.
Move it over there.
Or is there like performance?
And you can reuse it, but I usually end up sabotaging myself and putting it on a spot where there's a bunch of dust. And then it just grabs all the dust.
You have to clean it again.
Yeah. There we go. Lay a couple tacks and then we can test it. We should be good. And then, yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah, it turns into everything. The seals go out and they're made of graphite. So there's no way around it.
They're gonna wear? Yeah.
Yeah, you can't say like, oh.
Oh, my helmet is sagging.
Yeah, so we'll do that. And then this is just going to be the harder part. We're trying to line this up since we're slipping it in.
Yeah?
But as long as we can get some marks, we can play with, we get some slop in the coupler, so it doesn't have to be like super perfect. So as long as it's in the general vicinity. So I always make those marks, that way you know when they touch, you know you're at the right spot. Sometimes I'll even do a line across. So,
Pro tip.
pro tip. Yeah. On, so I just stopped trying to weld it all the way on. I just put 4 tacks.
Okay.
Like, it's such a pain. Like, I don't even know. Just the way the arc wanders makes me want to do unpleasant things. Yeah, just that final finishing touch.
So nice. So I just realized I forgot to film the last finish on the last episode. Yeah, here's our OEM Plus engine bay look. Thanks to my boy Chris.
Relax.
またまたあいつがやってきたな黒ずんだ顔が空に浮かぶほっと一息つこうとしてるのに本当に薄情なもので転びやしないこのフライデーゲームすぐさまどっかに飛んでけよバカじゃなきゃ言いつけるぞ宮城マママイプレイリストを流したまま昨日もいつも同じ友達